YouTube, this is Zombie Slayer 123 here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a combination lock. But this is going to be a different one. This is going to be long spread and not one like this where it's just like 3 by 3. So it's going to be 1 by 9. And actually I like this way. You can do a lot more with it. You can make it look better. One of the things I've changed is lights light up and note blocks will bing to like whichever one, like this. Oh, I set this up wrong, but anyway, you get the idea. Blah blah. This will turn on, and let's get started. So these are the blocks you need. Some of these blocks are optional, like redstone lamp, note block, and signs. These are optional. And actually you'll need like a frame, but you can see how I like to color code my stuff, like most YouTubers, but yeah, that's optional too. You can have like one solid color. Today I'm just going to be doing 2, and I'll have the frame. So we're going to have this and our resources. Yeah, I'll be showing you guys like everything but the color coding and signs, because I don't think you really want to stick around for the signs or anything. You'll build 11 by 11. Go up 2, and if you want to add the lights, which I like doing, I like to put redstone lamps here, and you could just build across. Stop here, delete the ends, so it looks like it's just popping out. You will put your torches, and then your buttons. So it's already looking like it. Alright, now we're going to take the note block and just throw it on top. You keep it like just default, like whatever it sets to, or you could like change it like I like to. And or you can make it the other way around, and 1 starting with the lowest and go work your way up. Alright, now we're gonna build 2 blocks out of whatever you want to build out of, and then make it like teeth. Then you're gonna want to put redstone like this. The redstone is on the teeth and block next to it behind, and then you'll just add your repeaters in the same pattern, pretty much. And then what you're going to want to do, oh, did that wrong, sorry. You don't add repeaters in these teeth part. You'll put torches here, and you'll just make it so these hook up. So if you hit like this button, that one will light up. Alright. Now you're going to want to build like rows of whatever your material with 1 space. I'm going to do 5. Yeah, I'm going to do 5, but you could do however many rows, 1 to 9, depending on what you want your code to be. And then when you're done this, build 1 from like the end and just bring it all the way up and then over, so you'll have however many rows you want your code, and then an extra one. Will this get away? Just to be safe. stupid anyway. Now what you're going to want to do is fill in between with repeaters. Oh, not the end row. Alright, so it looks like this so far. Now what you're going to want to do is wire up your... Oh, my bad. You'll put a button over here. You can put it on either side, but it's easier on the left. You're going to wire this. You can do it to about here, and then go on. But I'm going to show you what you don't want to do if you get to make one of your combination buttons 1, which I'm going to do first. So if you want to make one, and you come out here, unlike the other one, you don't have to like follow it and go like this. You don't have to go 1 is right here, then you go down, and 1 is in the 3 spot. That's just stupid, I think. So you'll go to your N1, put 1, but the close button and this are touching. So you're gonna want to delete that and put a repeater there. And then you'll just like mark all your stuff. So I'll have like 1, 9, 7, 4, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 6. And then you'll just, for the rest of them, put like another layer of what you're using. So the currents don't activate on whatever button you hit. And then you just put this down, up over whatever you placed. And this feature is optional too. You don't have to do it. But you definitely do need pistons. So if you want to make an open and close or an on and off button for like another side or something, you just make this little alleyway and fill it with redstone. Because usually I use this this layout for doors, this combination lock, and then you'll put a repeater in the middle or somewhere close to the middle. But I use this I use this mostly for doors and stuff. So I have a open and close button on the inside. You gotta take one of your rows and then you'll put like pistons, 2 pistons next to it, and then get whatever block you're using. Did I just do that on a complete circle? Wow, that was terrible. And then you'll just build across one block hanging over the piston in the front, 2 hanging over in the back, and then what you want to do for your close button is you want to bring it underneath the last piston, and then on the first one you'll put a repeater, then the second one will be covering those. You don't need to worry about the end. It'll go like this. You don't have to delete that. If you're making it 5 or longer, I believe it is, you should really put another repeater in the middle here. And then you'll take a block, delete that, and then you'll just build all the way down. And then you'll take a torch and put it at the end towards the back where the close button is. Redstone next to it to activate these, pushes up, activates those, and so on, so forth. Then like that. And then you'll just bring this all the way back, shuts this off, carries the current through, and just drops them all and closes whatever you have, or shuts off, whatever. You'll put a repeater here, so it could carry the current to the end. And next you're going to want to go to this end one. Make sure this end repeater is towards your building, and you're going to put it on the bottom, redstone, and then the top. So it'll look like that. Then you can carry out whatever you have. And I'm just going to do, I'll just do a lamp. I'll show you how to do a door, but lamps are easy. So if you want to bring this out like this, kind of make it so it's a little bit fluent here. Yeah. And then you'll just bring this down. Probably should add a repeater so it carries current, but actually I should put that right here. But it'll come out nice, and then you can add some buttons and stuff, and you know, open or on, whatever, close, stops. And then our code was 19746. So it's 1, 9, 7, 4, and then 6. This is 6. No, this is 6. And then it'll turn it on, and then you'll have your off or close button over here, and then it'll just drop those and shut it off. And if you want to make a door where you have like the door closed, or like you'll have it closed like this or something. I'm just doing this stupid, but like you'll have it closed, and you'll put a block here, and then redstone here. Oops. You don't have to delete this, I'm just doing it. Actually, that might not work. Alright, I'm going to pause it here and fix this up. I'll see you in seconds. Alright, I'm back. I made a door and fixed it all up. And what you're gonna want to do is, if you're making a door, you're gonna have this leading to a block with a torch on the other side, so it'll shut it off, and then this will activate, it'll shut the torch off, and then stop this current and open your doors. I mean, like, this was just a rough, whatever, or not a rough, but a quick little thing I did so you guys could see. It'll just shut these off. You obviously make it more nice, but I just did this real quick. Wait, 19, oh, 19. Oh, and if you accidentally, like, hit the wrong one, whoa, that was weird. If you, like, have 1, it'll lift 1, and then your next number is 9, and you hit, like, 8, you don't have to start over. So it's 1, 9, 7, 1, 9, 7, 4, 6. Yeah. 1, 9, 7, 4, and then your doors will open up, and then you'll have your close button, and then people can't come in when you're like in your top secret meeting room or whatever, and then you can close it or open it to get out, and then you'll just close it, and it'll just close it. And this could be used for, like, if you're on Hunger Games and you turned off breaking blocks or something stupid like that, or a moderator's room or something, for something where you can't break blocks or something, I don't know. But if they can break blocks, obviously they'll just go like this and walk right in, you know. So that's about it, and please like and subscribe, and I'll come back with more tutorials. Thank you.